Hi everyone, Vanessa here, fantabulous Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here with your next weekly devotional for day 24. The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead is a dark popular TV show, but let's think about the concept of these words in a spiritual light. Going through life in your own having no real purpose, achieving goals that don't bring lasting fulfillment, facing eternal consequences of sin. That kind of living is void of life. It is living in death or walking dead. But knowing Christ brings life to the soul. He is life. He gives new purpose, new meaning, a new mind, a new slate. Christ didn't come to turn bad people into good. He came to give life to the dead. By God's grace, He literally transforms dried up, withered beings into mighty oaks of righteousness through for eternity. This is something to be thankful for. And today's prayer is, Lord Jesus, thank you for the life and purpose you've given to me. I pray you will make my life a display of your splendor for all the world to see. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be blessed, be kind, be grateful, and I will see you next week for day 25's devotional. Bye bye for now.